Today we are going to predict the match between KKR and CSK, which is the 21st match of Dream 11 IPL, which will be played at Abu Dhabi Stadium. It is a very important match for both the teams. If you look at KKR, they are at number 4 in the points table. They have lost the last match against GCI Sharjah. It was a high scoring match and it was really tough for KKR to get 40 runs, 80 runs in the last 5 overs. But they have played excellently. However, the Enrich Noki's 19th over was excellent. He gave only 5 runs, taking 2 wickets from Morgan and Tripathi. And if you see at CSK's last match, they have played very well. They have restricted KX Happy to a total of 178 and has made an excellent opening partnership between Fab du Plessis and Shane Watson, and have won the match by 10 wickets. And now they are in the number 5 in the points table. So first let us start with the playing 11 of Chennai Super Kings. The first player and opening batsman of CSK will be Shane Watson. He was not looking in touch from the first match. However, he has played excellent in the last match and is a very good player. He is an excellent guy who and CSK requires him in this kind of situation. So my opening batsman will be Shane Watson. The next player for me will be Ruturaj Gaikwad. He is an young Indian opening batsman and he has a fabulous domestic season in India A Tour. In the 5 matches of Indian A Tour, he has scored over 600 runs and he has a lot of talent. So I want CSK to open with Shane Watson and Ruturaj Gaikwad. The next batsman for me will be Faf du Plessis. He has played very well from the beginning of the tournament. He was batting in the position of Suresh Raina at number 3 and then give an excellent job. However, from the last few matches, he was batting in the opening position and he has played well also. But I want CSK to play with Faf du Plessis at number 3 so that he can manage the middle order very easily. The next batsman for me will be Ambati Rayudu. He is a great player. In the first match, he has scored an excellent 79 runs against MI. And after that, he got injured. After his injury, he doesn't get so many chances. But yeah, he is in good form and he can play very well. At number 5, I want to see MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is a great player, as we all know. And he can smash the ball anyway outside the ground. But from the first matches, he was batting at number 7, number 6, even at number 8. But from the last match, he has played at number 5, an excellent knock of 47. Though he can't take CSK to a winning line, but yeah, he has played very well and he can do anything out there. So the next batsman for me at number 5 for Chennai will be MS Dhoni. At number 6, I will go with Sam Curran. CSK has used Sam Curran like a floater. He was batting in number 7, number 8, number 5, number 6, and even at number 4. He has played very well, good innings, like 18 runs of the 6 balls, 20 runs of 7, 8 balls. So I think that he will also give a firepower to Chennai Super Kings, and I I think that he will play today's match. He is also a great bowler. He can also do opening bowling along with Deepak Chahar. So the next batsman for me will for Chennai will be Sam Curran. He is also a batting all rounder. The next player for me will be Ravindra Jadeja. He has not got an excellent season till now, but yes, he has scored a 50. His first 50 in Vivo IPL, which was against SRH in a crucial match. And he is a very excellent fielder. He can also do bowling. So next batsman is a batting all rounder for me will be Ravindra Jadeja. And next at number 8, I will go with DJ Bravo. Yes, he is lower up the order, but he is a excellent death bowler. He has not get a chance to bat for CSK in this season. He was also injured in the first 2 matches, but he has done death bowling very well. So next player for me will be DJ Bravo. The next 3 bowlers who are main bowlers for CSK will be Shardul Thakur, Piyush Chawla and Deepak Chahar. Shardul Thakur was not available from the first matches for Chennai, but in the last match he played. He has done an excellent job and he has taken also 2 wickets of KL and Nicholas Puran. So the next bowler for me will be Shardul Thakur. At number 10, I will go with Piyush Chawla. Piyush Chawla has played for CSK from the opening matches and has bowled very well. From the last 2 matches, he was expensive, but he has taken wickets. But the last match, he bowled only 2 overs, giving 22 runs. But I will still go with Piyush Chawla at number 10. At number 11, I will go with Deepak Chahar. Everyone know that he is a swing bowler. MS Dhoni uses him in the opening spells of CSK in the power plays, and so he will play the match. Definitely is a very good bowler and is going the great form. So my next bowler will be Piyush Chawla. So if we see the Chennai batting is number 11 because Shane Duplessis, Rituraj Ambati, MS Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran, Bravo, even Shardul Thakur, Piyush and Deepak Char can also bat nicely. So their batting is very strong, and if you see that they are playing with Deepak Char, Piyush Chawla, Shardul Thakur, Bravo, Sam Curran, Ravindra. There are six bowling options. Six bowling options in T20 is very good, and they have a strong batting lineup. So I think that if Chennai play the match against KK with this batting and bowling lineup, a strong bowling lineup, it will be helpful for them. And now we will discuss the playing 11 of Kolkata Knight Riders. For KKR, Shuman will open, and he is a excellent talented guy. He is a young Indian player. If on the first match when he was playing in KKR from 2018, he was batting in the 5, 6, 7, but now he is opening at which is a correct position for him to bat. So I want to open with Shuman Gill, and the next opener for me for KKR will be Rahul Tripathi. Sunil Narayan has been batting in the opening position for KKR since 2017, and he was batting very well. But in this season, he has not played so well. The reason maybe that he is playing in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah. Sharjah is a small ground, but Dubai and Abu Dhabi is a large ground, and the bowler are targeting him by bowling bouncer, bowling in the body. So Sunil Narayan is not so effective, and so Rahul Tripathi will bat for me in the opening. He has not got chance to play for KKR, but in the last match when he got chance, he played very well. He scored 36 runs of 16 or 17 balls. So Rahul Tripathi will be an opener. He can also when they use a power play. He can also play the cheap shots very easily, and the batting will look more strong. So Rahul Tripathi will be an opener. Then at number 3, I want to go with Nitish Rana. Nitish Rana in 2019 has batted very well. At 2020 also, he has got a good start. At the last match against DC, he scored a 50 at Sharjah, and he is an excellent touch. So Nitish Rana at number 3. At number 4, I want to go with Ewan Morgan. See, first of all, KKR has not played with Ewan Morgan at number 4 position. KKR has used him at number 6, number 7, but he is an excellent guy. He is an English captain and has batted very well since the last matches. And I want to see him batting at number 4 so that he can make the mid order makes more strong. At number 5, I will go with Andrew Russell. Andrew Russell is not going with just type of season that he wanted. Last matches he has scored 24, in this previous one scored 13. But at number 5, I want to Andrew Russell is an excellent player. He can smash any ball out of the park very easily. And so he will bat for me at number 5. At number 6, I will go with Dinesh Karthik. Dinesh Karthik, he is obviously KKR's captain and has done a good captaincy. But he's not looking in form since the last matches, and he will try to get a good match here so that he can get his form back. At number 7, I will go with Sunil Narayan. See, first of all, I am not using Sunil Narayan as an opener, but he's an excellent bowler. He's a good off-spin bowler, and he has many variations. So Sunil Narayan for me will be at number 7. He can also give many batting chances to KKR if required. At number 8, I will go with Pat Cummins. Pat Cummins is brought by KKR in this auction. He is the most expensive foreign player, and he has also done a good job in the last match, except the last match where he got many runs, 3 overs at 49 runs. But on the next match, he has played very well. So my next will be Pat Cummins. At number 9, I will go with Kamlesh Nayakoti. Kamlesh Nayakoti was not in the KKR squad on the first match playing 11 squad. He was a part of KKR since 2018 when he got sit in the auction, but after that he got injured. He was unable to play, and in this season when he got a chance to play, he has done a phenomenal job. He has played excellently since the last matches. He has also done a good bowling option in the death overs. So at number 9, I will go with Kamlesh Nayakoti. He is also a good batsman. He can hit ball easily. At number 10, I will go with Shivam Mabi. Shivam Mabi has played for KKR from the beginning of this season, and he has bowled very well. He has got a good match against MI. After that, he has got a good match against SRH. Then again against RR, and then against DC. He's also got a good match. So now, and he's doing great form. So number 10 for me will be Shivam Abe. Number 11 I will go with Varun Chakravarti. Varun Chakravarti has got to play for KKR in this season. And from the first match he not even got chance, but from the second match he has played well. He has played excellently. He has a good mystery speeder, and no one is able to play him very easily. So at number 11 I will go with Varun Chakravarti. So if we see that KKR has 6 bowling options: Russell, Nareen, Pat, Nagarkoti, Shivam, Varun, and Rana can also bowl if required. So they are playing 7 bowling options, which is very rare in T20 and which will be very helpful for KKR. They are playing in CSK, which is a very strong squad. They have a good batting, they have a good bowling. So KKR are playing with 7 bowlers, which is very necessary. And if we see that their batting is still number 9, means that their batting will also strong, and they will try to get most out of this batting lineup. And if you look at the pitch, yeah, it is helpful for both the batsmen. For the bowlers, it is not so. Yes, swing is there in the first 2-3 overs, but it is very helpful for the spinners to bowl here. And batsmen will look to get a score of 165, because the highest run chased here is 163, which CSK have chased against MI at the beginning match. So both the team who will win the toss will look to bowl first, and the batting team will try to take their score above 170. So it becomes tough for the bowling team who will bat at the second half, and dew will be not there, not so much dew, so there will be not any advantage of bowling in the later half or batting in the later half. But yes, it is going to be a very interesting match between KKR and CSK, so that and we all can enjoy the match. So again, if you look at the whole squad, there we are for KKR: Rahul Tripathi, Shubman Gill, Dinesh Rana, Johan Morgan, Andrew Russell, Dinesh Karthik, Sunil Narine, Pat Cummins, Kamish Nakote, Shivam Avi, Varun Chakravarti. So it looks like a very strong squad. 4 foreign players which are only allowed. Sunil Narine, Pat Cummins. Yes, Sunil is also a foreign player, but here we have forgot to indicate him. But okay, he's also a good foreign player. So KKR playing with 4 foreign players. Rahul Tripathi, Shubman, Nitish, and Andre, Dinesh, Sunil, Pat Cummins, Kamlesh, Shivam Avi, and Varun Chakravarti. It is an unchanged squad. The last match they have also played with this type of squad, and today we will also do like this. So looks like a strong squad. And if you see CSK, then it will be Shane Watson, Faf, Rituraj Gaikwad. Rituraj will be opening batsman. Faf will be at number 3, at number 4 Ambati, number 5 MS, number 6 Ravindra Jadeja, number 7 Sam Curran, number 8 DJ Bravo, number 9 Shardul, number 10 Pius, number 11 Deepak. Yeah, looking at a great squad. Though Kedar Jadhav is not here, we have not taken Kedar Jadhav as from the last matches. He hasn't played well. In the beginning, he is not contributing with bat. He is not neither contributing his ball. He is batting at number 5, number 4, and just wasting the balls in the middle over. So I don't want to play with Kedar Jadhav. And except the CSK looks a very strong squad, and this will be an interesting match. So here we will end up my video. If you like this if you love this video, then please like it, share it, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel, and comment that whether it is a good video or bad, so we'll try to improve our videos qualities. So thank you, and till then,